All right, Sadie, what are we making today?
We're making coffee body scrub.
Coffee body scrub. So, body scrub, do you know what it's good for?
It's cleaning?
Cleaning. It helps moisturize your skin, remove dry skin cells, and feels really good. Helps with cellulite, appearance of cellulite. Did you know that? Something you don't have to worry about right now. So this scrub I used during Midwestern winter, and I did not have to apply any moisturizer. It works that well, moisturizing skin. Because Mom hates using lotion, right?
Me too.
Yep. So, first thing, we save coffee grains after we use them. This is from when we used our, let me see if I can zoom in, coffee percolator thingy. This is 1 serving. It leaves right at a 1/4 cup, which is what we need for this. So it works out great, right? So the first step is a 1/4 cup of leftover coffee grinds, and you want to let it dry. So we just let that sit out and dry really good. If you use it wet, it can get moldy and it doesn't spread as well, it doesn't scrub as well. Okay, the second thing is the 1/4 cup of sugar, and that helps exfoliate. I find the grinds can do a pretty good job too, but for the purpose of this video, since we're calling it a scrub, we'll add the sugar. But most of the time, I just use coffee grinds and it's fine. This scrub can be as simple as the coffee grinds and your favorite oil. And so the next step is the oil. And my skin does best with olive oil. So you can use coconut oil, right, Sadie? Almond oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil, any oil that you would like. But I find coconut oil clogs my skin. It's great to eat, but it clogs my skin. So we're going to use a 1/4 cup of olive oil. So this recipe is basically equal parts. So drizzle that all over. We're not going to measure it because I'm pretty sure that's close on what's left. So you want to make it pasty, not too oily, not too dry, but pretty pasty. And one more thing I like to add to mine is, I don't know if you can see it, grapefruit essential oil. You don't have to. You can start adding 5 drops of that. But let me read my writing. It's great for sore muscles and stiffness, removing excess water, weight, and toxins from the body. It reduces blood pressure. It's a good skin cancer treatment. It causes glowing skin. You want to start mixing that? That's fine. Or this fork, either way, whichever one you think is going to work. And it improves appearance of cellulite. So, grapefruit essential oil, yeah, it smells amazing. That's another reason. So you just mix all that up till you get a good paste. The longer it sits, I find the better it is to work with. And you can put that right alongside in your shower, and it'll be fine. You'll use it before it goes bad. So you just take it. If you're using it for cellulite, you want to go start with the area that you're most worried about. And they say 2 to 5 minutes scrub in a circular motion. If you're using it consistently, you're not going to have to do it that much, but you will notice it help fade it some. It also is great at self-tanning. Yep, that's perfect. So that's what it'll look like. And you'll just get in the shower, get wet, and scrub away. It's great for the blanking, starts with a K, the stuff that gets on your, your arms from food sensitivities and all that. The scaly skin that people sometimes get on your arms. Great for that, eczema, and all the other skin issues. But yeah, super simple. Like I said, that's kind of a popular way to do it with the sugar to help exfoliate. But you can just save your coffee grinds. You're pretty to look at, huh? Save your coffee grinds, dry them up, add your favorite oil in equal parts until you get a nice paste, and it can be that simple. All right, Sadie, show me what we got. Hold it up so we see it. Perfect. Thank you for assisting me again. Beautiful. And say goodbye.